Hi, ABS-CBN. It's Ella J. Bosco, and I play Cassandra Cain in Birds of Prey. On behalf of the cast and crew, we wish you happy holidays.
This Filipino-Korean-American young actress has a lot to celebrate, with her movie co-starring with Margot Robbie slated to come out in February.
Oh, you're that psycho chick.
Don't never call a woman a chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman.
Basco continues the acting tradition started by her uncle Dante Basco, who in Steven Spielberg's Hook became one of the first Filipinos to star in a blockbuster film.
Of us now.
Ella J previously shared her filming experience in Birds of Prey and how her showbiz family helped her nail that role.
It was super intense. It was a very long process, and I had to work long nights, and it was super crazy. My family helped me with the script and acting.
The ensemble cast of Birds of Prey includes Ewan McGregor and Rosie Perez. Its director of photography is film cinematographer Matthew Libatic. Young Chavez, ABS-CBN News, here in Hollywood.
Here's the deal, Quinn. You need me.